Some of these trees would fall, have a tendency to fall over top this open field here. But the problem being, that's a gas line going up through there. There's 3 gas lines in there. So they don't look too favorable of a tree falling on their gas line. I think there's like there's 1 18-inch, 36-inch, and I think a 24-inch. The newest one's a 36. It's the furthest one over, and they have room in there for another one to the left. But the oldest one is closest to these trees here. And I think they're like 25 feet. Is it 25? It might not even be 25. Maybe it's like 15 feet apart. But they don't look favorable at all. They're dropping trees on their line. And this is for all you guys who weld on the pipelines. They probably don't trust your welding. No, I'm only kidding. I know you guys take a lot of pride in your welding. As I talked to quite a few, and they come through here about, I don't know, probably 20 years ago. And they're really picky about their welding. The pipes fail before the welds fail. But I guess I got good reason to worry. It's not that deep. It wouldn't take too much to probably hit one of them lines. As soon as they see a little bit of work going on the line, they're out here. I seen a plane come over the other day. I thought for sure they'd stop to see what I was doing with all these logs down here. Of course, they're not on their line, but they're close to it. They just stop and see what's going on to make sure you're not screwing nothing up. They've stopped a few times. I'm always digging. They're always coming. But back to the job at hand. See what kind of damage I can do now. Little fence line through there. I knew it. Hit a nail. Should have been watching a little closer. Oh well. Guess it's better than me than them guys with them expensive blades hitting it. Every one of them likes to brag about how much they paid for them saw blades. I don't blame them. Yeah, it was a nail. You can see it there. Took care of that blade pretty quick, that nail. Of course, that blade took care of the nail too. But I have a couple extra blades I keep just in case. That one was used quite a bit. Well, I used it to cut I did cut all them logs down there laying. But that gray, that's where a nail was. It looks like it dissolved. It might be in there yet. Should have known it. I mean, geez, it's obvious there. Oh well. It's even down. Right there's an old nail. Yeah, I used it to cut all them logs down there. I don't know how many. A lot. There's even more there than it looks because you can't see half. Well, not half of them, but a good portion of them you can't see. forgot to clear a spot away from myself. Oh, that one scared me. I thought that top branch was going to catch me.